guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be helping you guys with DIY room decor because that is what was voted for a few days ago. Thank you so much to the 50 voters who participated in the poll. So in my little notepad thing, I came up with 10 ideas for DIY room decor, and I'm gonna be showing you guys how I did it, or just describing how I did it depending on how I edit this video, I guess. Okay, so first, right next to my door, I made this little jacket holder thing. So basically all my jackets are just sitting on the wall. I like to do this because it kind of reminds me of like when you walk into a house and like there's like a hat rack or like a coat rack or something. How I did this was actually super simple. Sometimes the jackets do fall when I'm trying to put them up, so it is a little delicate if I'm being honest, but literally all I did was put like 3 thumbtacks into the wall. That's literally it.
And then I just hang it by the neck hole and then boom, it just stays.
The next thing I like to make are these like little DIY jewelry holders. I have like multiple versions of it.
So basically what I do is I take either cardboard or a soda can, right? And I literally paint it if it's ugly, and then I just like slide all the jewelry on. I'm gonna be honest, it does get a little annoying sometimes to having to take multiple off to get the certain one I want off if it's not stretchy enough, but it makes a nice little display if you don't wear it that often.
Sometimes I'll also put my jewelry in little containers.
I also like to put them in like caboodles. I don't know what they are, but my grandma got them for me at the dollar store one time, but I'll put it on the screen, I guess. So I just like to store them in little places like that, and I even like to put some of them in like little beach toys, like in those little sandcastle things. Like, I don't know, it just makes great organization. If you guys want, I can do like a whole separate like ways I decorate my room with candy. Next thing I like to do is wall art. So again, I was gonna make a separate post for this, and I'm still going to, like a more specific video about it, but making your own posters. Just literally just get creative and draw what you want. I like to make my own posters. I just kind of like let my brain just like run free and just make whatever I want. And I like to make some of my OCs and stuff, but you can do like whatever you want. And to match your room aesthetic more, I feel like me doing that made my room so much more vibrant.
Most of those are like all my posters, except some of them I use like packaging. So that's another way. I think I've said this in my previous room video, and feel free to watch that too if you want more tips, but these are just more like specifically DIY.
But yeah, I'm gonna be going more detail about the posters in another video, so keep an eye out for that. Custom shelves. I love doing this. Oh my gosh, let me count actually. I have probably about 6 custom shelves in my room right now that I made out of cardboard. It actually stays up so well. I'm really shocked because it's a little heavy, honestly. But I just put like 3 thumbtacks in it. That's another thing. The hardest part is the thumbtacks.
You really have to like poke holes in it and then hang it on like in the perfect spot. It takes a while. It might take some redoing it, like the wall stuff, and you might get a lot of holes in your walls, but in the end it's worth it.
And I even made one out of cardboard and paper towel rolls. And then for the pen stacks, I know that didn't like I know that was like really confusing to say at first, but this is what I mean. So on your desk, if you have like a lot of art supplies like I do, because I draw like every day, like add levels. I'm serious. This is such a game changer. All you have to do is add some sort of like box or like cardboard or like a holder like upside down and put the stuff on top. And you can even paint it to make it look nicer. Mine's pretty hidden, so I didn't really bother to paint it, but it seriously elevated my desk so much. I love it forever. Now for the banner slash hammock slash tapestry, I literally took an old towel that doesn't fit around me anymore and like just basically hung it on my ceiling. But it's really pretty, and what I did was I just like put the towel on the wall, and then I put a thumbtack like kind of like through it, and it like kept it up. I did it in 4 corners. I did need help with this because that was hard. That was really hard, and I was really scared of falling. Seriously, it's a game changer. Like honestly, it makes my room like look kind of, I don't know if it looks smaller or bigger, but either way it looks so much better. Now for the headband stand, I actually just literally, only thing I use for this besides for the headbands is hot glue, paint, and cardboard. So literally just get fun and creative with the shape. I kind of did it like a T, so kind of like this. And the only thing that's tough about it, since it's cardboard, it's paper towel rolls, it's really light, and the headbands obviously are a lot heavier, so it's gonna tip. So you have to balance it out perfectly. That's literally the only con, but it falls very, very, very easily. So just be mindful of that. But yeah, it was really easy to make. I love it so much. Now for scratch art. So I'm not really sure where I got this, because I think when I was like younger I got them as gifts but never used them. But one day I just found them. I'm like, you know what, I have an idea. So all around areas of my room, whether it's posters, wallpaper, or just little doodles, I have these little things all over my room. I used it on my door, and then for my desk I used it as like a little wallpaper there, and then just little doodles around my room I did, and they are so cute. It looks amazing. Can garlands. So I actually made these a lot. It's really easy, though be careful. I did use like really sharp like sewing needles to make the holes. It hurt, honestly, because I was like pressing against the can with the needle and I was pushing it into my finger, and it hurt a lot, so just careful with that. But if you don't want to do that, that's okay. Like, keep the soda tab on the can, flip it like kind of upward, and just string through it. It works that way too. So I do it both ways. And then I just strung like beads in the middle to make it more colorful, and now I have them all over my room. Okay, we're in the last part of the video. Customize everything. Everything. Seriously. Customize journals, candles, frames, bags, shelves, lamps, mugs, and windows.
I'm gonna be showing you guys all the things that like I've customized. Well, not all the things, because then that's gonna be, the whole video's gonna be like 30 minutes done.
I did a lot. So for journals, like my journals and sketchbooks are very colorful, and then I just literally just put them like on display. It makes great decor, and I also like use it all the time. So like, yes. Candles. Unless if you don't plan to light it, don't do the inside. I added like a few crystals in one of my candles, but on the outside, like sometimes I'll add like stickers or something, or I'll decorate like the holder part at the bottom. Frames. So I have this little picture of my dog, Denny. He looks so cute in the photo. And what I did was I just put a bunch of like stickers, but I did that and like it looks so cute. And I put like a little pair of glasses on top, and he just looks so cute in the little photo, and it matches the rest of my room. Bags. Oh my gosh, I love customizing my bags. My backpack is literally like perler galore, basically. I put all my perlers on it. I put most of my keychains on it. It's just, and then like I have it like displayed on my wallish near my floor. I'll show it on camera if that makes sense. And I'm gonna say shelves again, because for my one shelf I actually added stickers on it. And for my other like macrame shelf, I just put like hair clips on it. I mean, obviously I put stuff on the shelves. Does that make sense? But like I decorated like the sides too, and I'm sure you could like paint it, but I just didn't. I got a little lazy with that. Looks really good. It transforms everything. Lamps. Okay. Please do research before you do this step on like what type of lamp you have, like the fabric of the like lamp shade, and like if your materials are okay to use on it. If not, then don't turn your lamp on. But for my lamp, I just drew stars and swirls like all over it. It's okay for me to light. I did the research and it was okay, and it was fine, it was safe. But if it's not safe, please do not light it. I beg of you, please do not burn your house down because of me. Do not do that. So either if you're never gonna use that lamp again, then paint it, or do research, and if it's safe, then do it. But do not do it if it's not safe. Please. Mugs. I like to put stickers on my mugs, especially the white ones, because it honestly looks so boring. Every time I see like a white object or even just a plain object, I like stickerify it or paint it or just do something, because I cannot stand just the blank look of a mug. No. So I just put stickers like all over it. Windows. So I'm not gonna show my windows because I don't want to like dox myself by showing like where all the houses are across the street from me, but I like to get those like gel window stickers. Like, does that make sense? And also just like window stickers in general. So I have one of that, and then like I used to have like these gel stickers until they melted all over my window and it looked disgusting, and there's still stains from it on my window that I can't get off. So beware of that. Don't keep them on for too long. Like a month or two should be fine, but when they start to get like really sticky and like melty, then take it off. Don't be like me, because then it like dripped all the way down. It looks like there was slime on my window. It looks absolutely horrendous. And also, if you're allowed to, paint your furniture.
I painted my dresser like in one of my room decorating videos, and it's so cute. It changed so much. Like, it elevated my room to a T. Like, it looks insane. I mean, it's not like quality paint. Like, it's not like, oh my gosh, you should be a professional painter. It's kind of chipped and a little patchy, but I like the colors, okay? To me, it looks good. So if you can do that, and if you want to, paint your furniture, bro, if you only live once. And also, make sure to get washable paint, like, just in case if, like, you don't like it anymore, so you can just, like, kind of scrub it off. I'm not sure if mine was washable. I think it is, so let's hope so.
But yeah, that is all I have to say in this video. It actually went a lot quicker than I thought. So thank you all so much for watching, and have fun decorating your rooms. Bye!